late. It's supposed to be here. Up. Late. Sure that we're still on the right run. We are on somewhat of a mission here to record stuff. It's just late. It's supposed to be here. Up. Late. Sure that we're still on the right run. We are on somewhat of a mission here to record stuff. Still hopefully blackjack. It is ah, fuck, that was it.
Yeah, it's good. I like riding with other people.
That was it, that was the one. Oh well. I'll go down here for a bit. pretty fun day, to be fair. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I'm in no means saying that I did all those black runs like really good, or even the way they're meant to be done as an instructor, should we say. But looking just from like a year progress, I mean, there was a lot of times last year where I was like proper sitting down or bum scooching down drops and stuff. Spent way more time on the heel edge last year, because you seem to be doing some turns. It's getting there, working on so much stuff at the same time, which is never good, I guess. But I guess I have like a single thought for my heel side and then a single thought for my toe side, which is good. It's just not a comfortable position feeling wise, and it just seems to come back to haunt me whenever I go in the trees, or whenever I go on like steep and mogly stuff. It just seems to be that turning right. Something is happening. Part of it, I think my heel side is too much angle or too much pivoting, so it's really hard to get around onto your toes that quick. You gotta be quicker in the trees. I mean, I'm still doing it, and I'm doing it way more than last time. Like, it's just, it's so weird to be able to ride a normal piece, or ride like what we've got here behind us, and then go left, right, left, right, left, right, and as soon as you go into trees, you go, yeah, I don't really like this anymore. But it's something to get used to. Like, from a whole perspective, I've got to realise that, I guess, last year I was only really in trees for what? We're here for 12 weeks, probably the last 4. And then this year we haven't really had that amount of snow, so maybe like another 5 days, 2 weeks. So I spent 6 weeks in the trees, so, and that's not like all the time every day, that's just bits here and there. So the fact we're even doing it is a positive, right? I'll take a positive, I'll take the win. And even coming down the lift line as well, when we're coming down here, I don't think it was, oh no, it's when I recorded and I missed the back on the top. Yeah, like, it's good, it's way more flowy. I'm not like, oh yeah, don't like it, can't do this, can't do that. It's like, I am riding it, might be, I don't know, slightly slower compared to other people, or other people you see throwing stuff off jumps and whatnot, but we're getting down, we're turning, we're doing it. Position is better. It's just now trying to do all the things I've done in training and put them into practice somehow. Well, we're putting it in practice now, but actually achieving it and doing the right things so that we can move on to the next bit, right? It's just a lot of noise sometimes, and sometimes it's nice to just go out and snowboard, right? I think when I was recording the runs for the media team, it was, I didn't have any music in, I was just trying to be quiet. I had the camera on my head so I could actually focus on like my riding in my head while I was also doing recordings. That's cool. But yeah, it's been a good day. And then off to teaching kids for 5 days tomorrow. Yay! So hopefully we'll get lessons morning and afternoon, would be nice. Even if I have to ski, I don't mind. Yeah, we haven't really done much park stuff today. Looking back, probably today should have been my park day, but it was snowing. When it snows, you go to Gem Lake. That's just the rule.